In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated, if anyone travels on a road in search of knowledge, Almighty Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Thank you very much for watching my videos and your exceptional support to make the channel a grand success. We are a family partner. Please subscribe and share our channel if you haven't done so far. We as a team can work together to convert challenges into opportunities and opportunities into success stories. These success stories can be monetized into value addition in the world by large. Thank you very much for your precious time. Okay, today I'm going to discuss my lecture number 7, oil and gas productions, exploration, productions, upstream, midstream, refining, petrochemicals, differentiated performance, enabling profit optimization process. Lecture number 7. Before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse. Qala Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me and loose a knot from my tongue that they may understand my saying. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O Allah, advance me in my knowledge and true understanding. Thank you very much for your precious time. Okay, this slide is dedicated to my faculty members and student department Chemical Environment Engineering, GCT and NFCT Multan, Pakistan, particularly late Professor Dr. Seive, rest in peace, and Dr. Afzal Haq, a former Vice Chancellor and pioneer of NFCIT Multan, Pakistan, former VC at NND UT, Karachi, and certainly Professor Dr. Tariq Masood, the Master of Organic Chemistry. Faculty member and student, Department of Petroleum and Chemical Engineering, Texas A&M University College Station and Qatar campus. Faculty members and student, Department of Chemical Engineering, Gas Processing Center and Industrial Engineering at Qatar University. Management and Operation and Maintenance staff members of Parker Fertilizers and OGDC Pakistan. Qatar Gas Processing Field, Ghotki, Sindh, Pakistan. Last but not least, I'm very much indebted and pay my special gratitude senior management and operation and maintenance staff members at Qatar Petroleum from 1997 to 2020. With great privilege and honor, I have completed 25 years my glorious career at different levels and positions with Qatar Petroleum. Okay, oil and gas production, this is my plan. So introduction, facilities and process, reservoir and wellhead management system, upstream facilities, midstream facilities, refining facilities, petrochemicals, utility systems, unconventional, conventional, resources and environment effects. These areas will be covered next couple of years. I have a plan to deliver 300 lectures. Okay, shaping the clean and sustainable global energy. So plan to deliver 300 lectures on next couple of years. This is a very important slide. I, Dr. Tariq Masood, have developed a large number of intelligent models by using artificial intelligence and contribute significantly to improve Qatar Petroleum oil and gas business. Developed and published Operation Excellence, 20 initiative framework and tiers. Developed and implemented a flaring surveillance model to monitor and measure flaring incidents in real-time operations. Developed and implemented gas management system. Developed and implemented gas balance and dashboard models, chemical surveillance model to monitor and measure chemical injections, actionable department-wise production dashboard, actionable OMD dashboard, actionable CO dashboard, and developed and implemented a power water injection management system, developed and customized CPM, control performance monitoring, developed and implemented real-time engineering workstation, developed and implemented a real-time equipment performance monitoring system, long list of e-reporting systems, and a huge number of crude oil recovery performance enhancement well-tested models. Refining and petrochemicals, lecture number 7. From my next slide, we'll give you key takeaway points, and then we'll give highlights what we have a plan to deliver today. Key takeaway points, lecture number 7. Oil and gas production, refining. Then specification, distilled column blended a suitable feedstock. Refining aims to provide a defined range of product according to agreed specification. Simple refineries use a distillation column to separate a crude into fractions, and the relative quantities are directly depend on the crude used. It is necessary to obtain a range of crudes that can be blended to a suitable feedstock to produce the required quantity and quality of the end product. The economic success of a modern refinery depends on its ability to accept almost any available crude with a variety of processes such as cracking, reforming, additives, and blending. It can provide a product in quantity and quality to meet a market demand at premium prices. The refinery operation often include product distribution terminals for dispensing a product to bulk customers such as airports, gasoline stations, ports, and industries. Okay, on my next slide, we will discuss what is petrochemical demonstrate. Okay, petrochemicals, olefins, aromatics, and synthesis. Okay, the chemical derived from petroleum or natural gas. Petrochemicals are an essential part of today's chemical industry. Petrochemicals plants produce thousands of chemical compounds. The main feedstock is natural gas, condensate, NGL, and other refinery byproducts such as naphtha, gasoline, and benzene. Petrochemicals plants are divided into three main primary product groups according to their feedstock and primary petrochemicals product. First is olefins. It includes ethylene, propylene, and butadiene. These are the main source of plastics, polyethylenes, polyesters, PVC, industrial chemicals, and synthetic rubber. Number two, aromatics include benzene, toluene, and xylenes, which also are a source of plastics, polyethylene, polyesters, alkylates, noluene, as well as synthetic detergent and dyes. Number three is a synthesis gas. Synthesis gas are formed by steam reforming between methane and steam to create a mixture of carbon monoxides and hydrogen. It is used to make ammonia, for example, fertilizer, urea, and methanol as a solvent and chemical intermediary. Synthesis gas also feedstock for other processes such as fishes, tropic process that produce synthetic diesel. Okay, this was my last slide. Next slide, we are going to. Okay, conclusion page. Today we have discussed refining products, petrochemicals, petrochemical components, olefins, aromatics, and synthesis gas. Okay, from on my next slide, we are going to give you brief about what I plan to discuss in my next lecture. Next topic, oil and gas productions, reservoir and wellhead, crude oil and gas, crude oil quality, natural gas, and condensate. Thank you very much for your precious time. These are a few references: Qatar Petroleum, Oil and Gas Development Corporation Limited, Pakistan, World Energy Outlook, US Geological Survey, US Department of Energy, Schlumberger's Oil Fields Glossary, International Energy Agency, IEA, Wikipedia, Oklahoma State Oil Facts, and Norsex Standards, Story of Oil in Pennsylvania, A Liquid Gas Encyclopedia, Natural Gas from Wellhead to Burner Tip. Together, everyone achieve more. Please do not hesitate to send me your feedback and comments t.masood.dr@path.edu. Please stay at home, stay safe, inspired, and blessed. Thank you very much for your precious time.